An ouster petition against Investments, Trade and Industry CS Miano has been filed in the High Court over alleged procurement and financial irregularities during her tenure as the then Managing Director and the Chief Executive Officer at the Kenya Electricity Generating Company PLC, KenGen. A lobby group, a concerned citizen, moved to court pushing Miano's resignation. On October 25, 2023, High Court Judge Justice Lawrence Mugambi directed the petition be served within 14 days and responses be filed and served within 14 days. Mention of the said suit, in which Miano has been cited as the first defendant and the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission has been cited as an interested party, is slated for January 29, 2024. The petitioner, Francis Awino, says CS Miano should be barred from holding public office, expressing concerns that there were some illegalities, irregularities and circumvention of the law that were done while CS Miano was serving as the KenGen CEO. Miano was moved from the East African Community ASALS and Regional Development in October to MITI during the cabinet reshuffle by President William Ruto.
I find myself during this reshuffle as the Cabinet Secretary for Investments, Trade and Industry. I am very glad this morning we have spent a lot of time with Waziri Moses. He has taken me through many issues, where they have been, where they have reached, and more importantly, I have fully understood the dream.
An affidavit filed in court reads in part, quote-unquote, the petition avows that there was illegal, unlawful and irregular misuse of taxpayers' money, a fact that was actually confirmed by the Auditor General in her reports for the years 2020, 2021 and 2022. The affidavit adds, the petition avows that there is a need to proceed and bar the respondent from occupying office any further due to flouting and gross violation of the law. Reports by the Auditor General show that for the financial year 2020-2021, there was a non-valuation of property, plant and equipment by the respondent. The statement of financial position as of June 30th, 2021 reflected property, plant and equipment amounting to 356 billion shillings as disclosed under Note 13 to the financial statements. The petition noted KenGen awarded a tender to a foreign consultant after retendering, and the valuation exercise was expected to be completed by December 31st, 2021. They have previously cited the inability to. It added that it would not have been possible to determine the accuracy of the values of property, plant and equipment of 356 billion shillings included in the financial statement as of June 30th, 2021. According to Awino, CS Miano is the reason why Kenyans are suffering with huge power bills, because it was during her time that huge losses were reported and have been impacted by the recent increase of power tariffs. Awino claims, quote-unquote, while serving at KenGen, she misappropriated a lot of funds and it is not in order for the president to appoint her as Trade CS, which is a powerful post. She is the reason why most Kenyans cannot afford electricity while we are generating it. She'll mismanage the ministry the way she did to KenGen, and we will see funds being embezzled. He said that they expect to find justice and that the cost of power will be reduced, adding that investigations should be done with speed and her assets frozen by EACC. The case is expected to be mentioned before Justice L.N. Mugambi on January 29, 2024 at the Milimani Law Courts. While contacted by the Informer Media Group for comment through calls and short text messages, the CS was not immediately reachable.